Roll out the fun with my robotic pet, Tumbling Hedgehog. Now's your chance to have a hedgehog of your own and learn about robotics in the process. This adorable robotic pet puts on a show when it hears you clap. Try out different clapping patterns to make it scurry around, tumble, spin, and roll. With 3 fun and entertaining modes, you can change how the hedgehog responds to your commands. In Mode 1, clap to get your hedgehog to roll backwards, fall asleep, and wake up. In Mode 2, your hedgehog will count your claps and tumble as many times as instructed. In Mode 3, your hedgehog needs some encouragement. Give your pet a round of applause to inspire it to roll. Assemble your pet using the 172 pieces and learn about gears, motors, microcontrollers, sound sensors, and more. Follow along with a full-color manual that provides step-by-step building instructions and includes an illustrated comic featuring the adventures of Nuna the Tumbling Hedgehog. Let's get rolling with my robotic pet, Tumbling Hedgehog, from Thames and Kosmos.